Business-Centric Reporting, Testing Coverage and Risk Explained. Welcome! In this micro lesson, we'll show how to turn testing outcomes into language executives act on. Translate results into business risk. What could hurt revenue, raise costs, or damage reputation? Skip tool talk and error codes. Focus on plain impact. Checkout fails for 3% of users equals $250,000 weekly loss. Lead with the so what. Insight, then back it up. Risk to Q4 target due to payment retries. Need 2 engineers for 1 sprint to stabilize. When you connect testing to money, customers, and brand, leaders instantly see priority and trade-offs. Executives want to know, what % of critical flows did we test? Highlight the money paths, sign up, search, checkout, renewal, refunds, and report coverage in those terms. Prioritize high-value, high-risk areas first. A flawless settings page won't save a broken checkout. Show coverage by business capability, payments, identity, fulfillment, not by module names. Then flag untested gaps with clear impact. Refunds on mobile untested, high reputational risk if delays occur. This keeps attention on what drives revenue and customer trust, not on raw test counts. After testing, what can still go wrong? That's residual risk. Spell it out in outcomes. Peak load spikes may slow checkout. Link each residual to dollars and likelihood. $80,000 per week at medium likelihood during campaigns. Classify impact as low, medium, or high, so leaders can compare quickly. Then state a mitigation plan with named donors. Add auto-scaling rules. SRE, lead Anna to implement by October 28th. Clarity on what remains, how big it is, and who will fix it turns scary unknowns into manageable actions. A false positive is a test that cries wolf. Teams chase issues that aren't real, causing wasted time and slower delivery. A false negative misses a real defect. Those escape to production and create real loss. Quantify both. False positives cost approximately 120 engineer hours last sprint. False negatives caused $30,000 in refunds. Show the trend in actions. False positives down 40% after stabilizing test data. False negatives reduced by contract tests and alerting. This balance tells leaders where investment saves the most time and money. Share a tight set of metrics tied to outcomes. 1. Defect escape rate to production. Percentage of issues customers actually hit. 2. Time to detect and time to fix. Minutes or hours until we spot and solve incidents. Speed protects revenue and reputation. 3. Cost avoided versus cost incurred. Show savings from early detection against testing spend. 4. Quality trend versus release cadence. Are we shipping faster without raising risk? Keep it consistent, comparable, and narrative ready. What changed? Why it changed? And what we'll do next. Build a single executive slide that tells the story. Headline with the business outcome. Checkout stability protects $1.2 million Black Friday revenue. Use 3 bullets. Coverage, what we tested. Residuals, what might still fail. Risk, dollars, and likelihood. Add a small chart showing trend over the last 4 sprints. Defects down, time to fix faster. Close with a clear ask. Approve 1 extra performance engineer for 2 weeks to eliminate high residual risk. 1 slide, 1 message, 1 decision. Choose words executives feel. Replace flake rate with waste hours. Unstable tests waste 60 hours per sprint. Convert percentages to money at risk. A 1% checkout failure equals $80K weekly loss. Use customer scenarios, not modules. New users on Android can't reset passwords, instead of Auth v2 integration issue. Keep numbers round and comparable. $120,000 avoided versus $40,000 spent. This translation removes friction, speeds decisions, and keeps focus on impact, not internals. Always end with movement. Present decision options and trade-offs. Ship now with medium residual risk, $70,000 exposure, or delay 1 week to reduce to low, $15,000. Request budget or scope changes only if tied to impact. Approve $25,000 for load testing to protect $1.2 million event revenue. Commit next steps, owners, and dates. QA lead SAM finalizes coverage map by Friday. SRE adds auto-scaling by October 28th. Finish with the expected business impact. Projected 30% fewer incidents and 2-hour faster recovery, safeguarding revenue and brand.